Hi friends, welcome back to my channel or to my Etsy shop page, depending on how you're seeing this video. Today I'd like to share with you a little bit about how I package my prints, drawings, and paintings, and the steps I take to add a little bit of branding to my packaging and what products I use to make sure that my drawings, my paintings, all of the paper items are safe during transportation. And any products I review, I will leave down in the description below in case you're interested in them. Alright, let's get started. First off, I place prints or art into a clear plastic bag. I use the crystal clear bags from clearbags.com because they're reasonable and great quality. I mainly do this for obvious reasons, like protecting the paper from water or any sort of dirt or anything that could get in there and damage the prints. I even think after a buyer gets these prints or the art that they could keep them in the bags until they're ready to frame it, mainly because it'll prevent oil from their hands getting onto the paper, which definitely causes some major damage sometimes. A future upgrade I might add is to add a little leaky canvas, which is my shop name by the way, sticker to the flap, but right now I feel like that's a little extra because these bags already have some sticky to hold them closed. Next up is to put one piece of 1-ply cardboard down and then stack my bagged prints on top of the cardboard. This is just the first layer of cardboard and I add another one at the end. I buy my 1-ply cardboard directly from Uline because again, it's inexpensive and I can buy it in bulk and it looks really good. It also comes in tons of different sizes, so you could cut it to fit the prints or the artwork that you're making, or potentially they have the size that you need already in stock. I always tape my prints down so that they don't accidentally slide outside of the cardboard area. Again, this is a time where I love to use, some stickers that are personalized, and I am looking into making those. Then next up, I write my thank you card. I try to spend time on these because it means a lot to me every time someone purchases from my Etsy shop, and I want to let them know that. Sometimes I spend anywhere from 4 to 12 hours on commissions for people, so I spend a lot of time on this art. And by writing a note, it just lets them know that I really appreciate them, believing in me and knowing that I can do it, as well as supporting a small business. These cards are also 4x6 with a piece of my art printed on the other side. Right now I'm using the artwork I made for my business card so that they match, but I could see these thank you cards changing artwork in the future. And just to talk about the product a little bit, these cards and business cards are from Vista Print, which is a great company for all sorts of small business items. And I do have a video talking specifically about my business cards and these postcards and about the quality of them. After I'm done writing, I place the card and my business card on top of the stack of art prints. Then I sandwich everything between another layer of 1-ply cardboard. This layer is the top, so I do have my logo on it. I simply spray painted my logo with a 3D stencil my friend gave me. And also just to talk about the cardboard a little bit, the cardboard helps ensure the art won't bend during the shipping process. The worst thing that I think could happen is that the art gets damaged when it's being sent to the buyers. At least I can help prevent this from happening by putting my art in clear bags and also using the cardboard to keep it nice and stiff during the shipping process. So for my envelope, I sometimes use blank envelopes, which I've purchased myself, or I use USPS priority mail envelopes like the one you're seeing in this video. I like using USPS envelopes when I can because they're free, and a lot of the times people do select priority when at checkout. But I will know if it's first class USPS at checkout, then you should not use these envelopes. Because if you do, you end up losing money because you have to pay for the upgraded shipping to priority. Alright, so that's all for my packaging. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up below so that others can enjoy watching it too. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more content in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.